Welcome back, everyone. You may be having an issue with your AirPods where for some reason your left AirPod or your right AirPod is not working. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. The very first reason why this may be happening is, first of all, you want to detect which specific AirPod is it. Is it your left one? Is it your right one? Whichever one you think it is, you just want to take a look at that specific AirPod and you just want to take a look around it and you want to make sure there's nothing kind of crazy looking with that AirPod. You want to make sure all the pieces are intact, but you also want to make sure there's not a bunch of earwax and stuff stuck within the specific AirPod. So you want to take out as much dust and debris and everything like that within your AirPod. And at that point, you also want to make your way over to the case itself and you want to look within the case. So you can see right here, I don't really have anything in there. If you're somebody who uses your AirPods all the time, you may have a lot of, earwax or stuff just stuck within the specific bottom portion of your case as well. So what you want to do is you want to grab some sort of, cleaning, material. You can use anything dry like a cotton swab or a napkin, but you want to make sure everything is dry. And you want to gently just clean the inside of this specific AirPod case right there, whichever one is faulty. And you want to go ahead and most of the time that will end up fixing it. What I would recommend doing there is putting your AirPod back in the case, both of them, shutting the AirPod case like this, turning it back on, and plugging both AirPods back in your ear. And you want to see that, and you want to see it end up fixing it. I would definitely tell you a majority of the time that'll end up fixing it, and that's pretty much all you have to do. If for some reason that doesn't work, you may have to go ahead and reset your AirPods. So you want to put your AirPods in the back case like this, and all you want to do is you want to hold down the button that's on the back of these AirPods. So you want to hold them down like this, and you'll basically see that white light blink, and that's when you can go and repair your AirPods to your iPhone, to whatever other device you have, and most of the time that's how you're going to end up fixing this specific issue. Again, it's not a guarantee, but this is something I'd recommend looking at as well. So that pretty much covers it up for the most part. If you have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section as well. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.